Oh gosh. Oh gosh, it's going. Is there any? Huh? Can we get another boat? To help?
Yeah, that's my boat right there. And on this video, I've got something to show you that happened to that boat that was not the best of feelings. And I was watching the news today, and I saw a guy coming through the Jupiter Inlet, and I guess a wave hit him sideways. I don't know what happened, but man, the poor guy, his boat caught the next wave, and the next thing you know, it capsized and flipped over upside down. Check it out, look it up. The Jupiter Inlet boat sinks. Saw it today on the news, and it was crazy. So what that did was it reminded me that my boat sank. The one that I'm recording this video from right now, it sank right here at the dock. I had a meeting in the house, looked out, boat was fine. A storm started coming through. And when that storm started coming through, I thought everything was okay. Didn't think anything was odd. Next thing you know, I look back and my boat's floating. And I'm going, why is my boat floating? I don't understand. And I had my plugs out on my boat because it's on the lift, so you don't want it to fill up with water or anything like that. So you keep it, the plugs out. So I run outside, a storm's coming through. Heck, I can't tell you the whole thing. You saw the previews. Check out what just happened. And I'll come back and, man, let you know it was painful. Well, boy, watch this. Who can
I call?
I called John. That's the only person I can call.
Oh, shit. The lift won't do anything?
Only lower and raising the front.
Oh, shit.
You want me to do?
Not chew on this style.
Can this help? We can maybe pull it up a little bit.
Are you going up or down? It's getting worse. Are you going up or down?
Finally going up.
You want me to stand on the edge?
What?
Did the back break?
No.
That's the way you get the job done.
Hurry up, here comes the big mom like the storm coming in.
I was gonna say, crush against the storm.
Help!
Faster, faster.
That's 20.
You can skip the gym. Come on, baby, keep going. Good job, John.
Only lasts about 12 minutes.
This is the way we wash the boat. Wash the boat.
Popped up. See how I'm doing that?
Huh?
See how I'm pushing it?
Let go of it now?
I think it's
That's better.
It's floating now. Just get off. Get off. Get off. Here, take this.
I'm videoing. Can't you lower it more? So it'll even out?
So even though it's sank, I got to change the complete color of the boat. As I showed you, we wrapped it in carbon fiber blue. Looks pretty awesome. And you know what, with these wraps, it protects my boat from the sun, it protects my boat from the elements, and then if it gets scratched up or something, we just rip it off and replace it. It's really less expensive than having the boat detailed every year. So I'm pretty pumped up about it. All right, we are back in action. We got the boat all ready. We got us a new 200 Yamaha outboard on, 25-inch shaft model. We got us a new talon on the boat. We got us the Altera 112-pound thrust, push the button, trolling motor drops in the water with the iPilot anchoring spot lock feature. We got us a new Humminbird Onyx. We've got sea deck and all new brown interior. So it's actually better than it was before it sunk. You know, tough situation, the boat goes down. You guys see it was a little stressful. We made it through it. We're ready for this year's fishing show season. All right. Yeah, there was not one of the best feeling days. Looking out, your boat sinks. The boat lift malfunctioned. The front has shorter cables than the back. So what happened was the storm, I don't know, shorted something out. So the boat lift just turned on and it started going down, and it went all the way down to the bottom. And the way boat lifts work, they go and go and go until they spin the opposite direction. So once it goes all the way in one direction, it'll eventually start coming up. So since the front cables are shorter than the back because it's deeper in the back, it started raising the front. we've got the storm coming from behind us, and it's pushing waves towards the back of the boat. The boat's filling with water. I tried to raise it up front. I tied it off to the front of the dock, and I had about 2 to 3 minutes to save it, and I couldn't do it. I mean, I dove in, I went down into the bottom, tried to put the plug back in, and I just couldn't save it. Luckily, I had some friends came out and helped me, Dennis and John Black, Captain John Black. They ran over here and saved me. They knew I was in big trouble, and they came and helped me and saved it from completely sitting on the bottom. But it took me probably a good 4 months plus to get the boat back up and running. Put a new engine on it, redid most of the wiring, redid anything that looked like it was in a terrible spot. One thing that really helped me out though is our water was very fresh. Lake Okeechobee was dumping, and so the boat didn't sink in salt water, it sank in fresh water. There was like no salt water here at that time. So my battery cables and everything that's inside the boat didn't turn green, because if you've ever had a boat sink or if you've ever got out in salt water, you notice once salt water gets on battery cables or anything electrical, it starts corroding, starts turning green, and then it's no good anymore. So I was very fortunate in that aspect. So the whole boat wasn't ruined. Electrical and all that wasn't ruined. I had to replace a lot of stuff, but I didn't have to replace that. And this Dorado 23 is a fantastic boat. And a lot of people that watch the shows and now they're watching Chew on This All In, they ask me, what kind of boat do you have? What kind of boat do you have? And it's a custom-made boat from Dorado Boat Manufacturing. If you ever get a chance, check them out. I love this one. It's one of the boats that I don't see myself getting rid of as long as I got a say-so in it. Kind of like my Hummer. I got an H2, and I love the H2. To me, it's a stay with me the rest of my life type of vehicle. So anyways, I got a bee here buzzing around me right now. It's saying, hey, shut up, quit talking. Hey, we appreciate you guys checking out this episode of Chew on This All In Show. Thank you very much, and hey, stay tuned. We're going to try to bring a new video to you every single day, or at least 5 out of 7 days for the week. So always, always, always remember to hammer that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell so you get notifications. And we always appreciate the comments. Right now, we don't get that many comments, sometimes 1 or 2. Hey, leave some comments. Tell me what you think about the shows. We really appreciate it. Godspeed. I'll see you next episode.